Back pain is among the foremost causes of disability around the globe, and statistically, 1 out of 10 individuals are suffering from a certain type of back pain. Sciatica pain is the pain felt all along the sciatic nerve, the longest nerve in the body. It is accompanied by numbness and tingling, and is usually a result of a bone trigger on the spinal stenosis or the spine. Or herniated disc. The pain is usually treated with painkillers, which are often ineffective and harmful. Fortunately, there are highly effective natural ways to relieve the pain and symptoms of these health problems, and garlic milk is one of the best ones. Garlic is a powerful natural antibiotic, which strengthens the immune system, fights inflammation, reduces cancer risk, and improves heart health. Garlic milk is an ancient natural remedy that is making a comeback in the modern era. To treat those diagnosed with sciatica and other back-related conditions, garlic milk is proving to be a less invasive option than surgery and prescription painkillers. Garlic itself was used by our ancient ancestors to treat digestive ailments and infections, and was even prescribed to those with heart problems and tumors. Its healing properties are still hailed by medical specialists today, and according to Consumer Reports, garlic can help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol while also making up one's immune system and reducing the risk for cancer. Here is how to prepare this traditional Ayurvedic remedy. Ingredients: 4 crushed garlic cloves, 250 milliliters milk, honey to taste. Instructions: in a saucepan, pour the milk, add the garlic, and heat until the mixture starts to boil. Stir well, and then remove from heat. Leave the milk to cool down, sweeten it with honey, and drink it immediately. Repeat on a daily basis to relieve sciatica and back pain and improve overall health. Namely, it will strengthen immunity, accelerate blood circulation, detoxify the body, help digestion, improve heart health, relieve arthritis, and treat insomnia. Moreover, garlic milk is a natural remedy against jaundice, chest congestion, coughs, and impotence. The regular consumption of this delicious and healthy drink will soon provide relief. And as soon as you start experiencing its incredible medicinal properties, it will become one of your favorite natural remedies.